Cisco.
Hi.
Hey, hey back there.
Hi.
Take some. Freaking cold. It's a blizzard outside.
It is. Look
Give me
at
the
that.
camera. I'll stick it out the window.
No, they're gonna get my stuff. Look at it outside. You can see it through this. Look how beautiful.
I couldn't see shit for a
Oh
block.
my
I
God.
was freaking bumping
There
into
goes the theater right there.
I can't see the freaking traffic.
There goes our famous actor back
Oh yeah,
there.
he told me about that.
He's a celebrity.
You know he's doing illegal shit.
Wow. It is nasty out there. It is December 19th, 2009. Winter storm. Yeah, the last show of Shakespeare Macbeth.
I know.
Remix.
I know.
Remix.
Girlfriend.
Okay. Later.
Bye bye.
I should take this.